Thank you. I'm here to represent the Center for Clinical Spectroscopy, where we're basically developing virtual biopsy technologies to get a feel for the chemistry within the brain and other parts of the body. We specialize in developing technology such as traditional one-dimensional spectroscopy and a strong focus on developing two-dimensional spectroscopy methods like this 2D correlated spectroscopy. And we're starting to get into multinuclear spectroscopy as well. We basically use this technology to try to characterize physiology in the brain and body with the idea of doing disease diagnosis and treatment monitoring for eventually translating it into a personalized medicine. Our current studies, our major focus is on traumatic brain injury. We have a study going on right now looking at retired football players and the long-term effects of repetitive head injury, which has been something that's been a prominence in the sports media. Likewise, we're looking at the early onset of sports-related concussion in children and really looking to see, as the brain is developing, what are the impacts of head injury on these children. Finally, we have a study looking at mild traumatic brain injury and trying to see if we can differentiate the differences in biochemistry between the brain injury and post-traumatic stress disorder, given the tremendous overlap that is seen in our soldiers coming back from Iraq and Afghanistan. And leading into that, we also have a number of studies looking at psychological health, a main component being chronic pain with our collaborators, where we're looking at seeing if we can get an objective measure for pain. We also look at schizophrenia and trying to see if we can get early markers for disease diagnosis. And in Alzheimer's disease, looking at the correlation between Alzheimer's disease and things like diabetes. We also look at things outside of the brain. One focuses on breast cancer and using advanced mathematical techniques to try to get a better diagnosis in breast cancer. We have current studies going on in transplanted kidneys and looking at kidney function with MR spectroscopy. And finally, muscle energetics, looking at the muscle metabolism using MR spectroscopy. So this is our group here, and what we're looking for overall are obviously collaborators. As you can see, this list, all of our projects really start with our collaborators, and I look forward to meeting everyone here and getting a chance to see where our areas overlap. Thank you.